Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Last class we discussed how to compare the numbers, isn't it? Today we are going to discuss how to write in the ascending order and descending order. First we can discuss ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. First you want to write the smallest number, then move on to greatest number. So here there are four numbers are there and we want to arrange this in ascending order. Here it starts from 11 crore. First number we can read it as 11 crore 12 lakh 13,145, isn't it? So it starts from where 10 crore place. So other three numbers also start with the 10 crore place. So while comparing the numbers, we want to start from 10, whether it is 10 crore place, then we can start from 10 crore place. If it is lakh place, then we want to start from lakh place. But don't start from ones place. Okay. So here, see this 11 crore, here also 11 crore. Okay, 11 crore, 11 crore, 11 crore and 11 crore. Okay, you can't compare. So we can move on to next place. That means 10 crore place and crore place are almost same. Next, you look on to the 10 lakh place. 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, here it is 2. That means 2 is the greater number now. That means we want to write smallest to greatest. We want to find the smallest number, not greatest number first. So anyway, we know this will be the greatest number. So we can choose this as our greatest number. Now we can move on to other three numbers. So by moving on to other three numbers, see this. Here also 12, 12, 12. Okay, almost the same. So we can move on to 10,000 place. That means 1. Here it is 1. Then comes 1, 3, 3. Okay, so in this, which is the smallest number? Smallest digit is 1 is smallest one. So we can write this number as the smallest number. So 11 crore, 11 crore, 12 lakh, 13,145. Okay, next we can look on to these two numbers. Okay, here also 31,000, here also 31,000. So you can move on to 100 place. Yes, there it is 1, 1. They are also same. So move on to tens place. Yes, 5 and 4. Okay, 5 and 4. So here 4 is the smallest one. Okay, so we can choose this number as the next number. That means 11 crore 12 lakh 31,145. Okay, then we can choose this number. That means 11 crore 12 lakh 31,154. Then we choose this, already we choose this as the greatest number. So we can write that 11 crore 21 lakh 13,145. Okay, so this way we are writing in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest. Next question. To write in ascending order. Okay. Okay. So here we want to write in ascending order. How we can read this number? Yes, this is according to International Place Value System. So we can read it as 98,345,120. Okay. So here again you look on to the, from where we want to start? Yes, we want to start from 10 million. So here 9, 8, 8, 9. We want to choose first smallest number, isn't it? So in that we can choose this two number first. We can select which one is the smallest because it starts from 8, isn't it? So here also 89, this number also 89. Then we can move on to here 100,000 place. That means 3, 4. Okay. That means which one is the smallest one? Yes, 3 is smallest. So we can choose this number first. Okay. That means 89,345,000. Yes, 345,120. Okay. Then because 3 is the smallest one. Next we can write this number. Okay. Because other two numbers starts from 98 million. Okay. So here 89,435,120. Okay. Next we can consider these two numbers. In that 98. Okay. 98 and 98 million almost equal. Okay. 98 and 98 million almost equal. Next 345 is 543. So here 3 or 5. 3 and 5. Which one is the greater number? Yes, 5 is the greater number. So we can choose. We want to write the greatest number last. So we can choose this number next. That means 98,345,120. Then finally we can choose this number, that is 98,543,120. Okay, this way we are writing in ascending order. Next we can discuss descending order. Next, descending order. Descending order means we want to choose the greatest number first to smallest number. Okay. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Descending. Okay. So, in that first question, is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Okay. So, this is according to Indian place value system. So, 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. So, we can compare the other numbers. So, here we want to start from which place? Yes, 10 crore place. That means 61 crore, here also 61, here also 61, here also 61. So, we can move on to next place. That is 10 lakh place. 8, 8, 8, 8. All are 8. So, we can't compare. So, again move on to lakh place. There also vote 2. So, next, yes, here also 1. Here also 14,000 itself. Okay. Then, change begins from where? Yes, from 100 place, isn't it? That means 2, then 1, 9, 7. In this, we want to find the greatest number first. So, in this, which one is the greatest one? Yes, 9. So, we can choose this number first. That is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. Next, yes, 7. You can choose 7, no? So, we can write this number. So, 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Then, yes, we can choose this 2. Finally, 1. 1 is the smallest number. So, we can choose this number, smallest one. So after this, we can choose this number. Is 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. Then 61 crore 82 lakh 14,190. Okay. Like this, we are writing in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. Okay, students. Thank you.